Raise your hand if you have met a customer in your life that you will never forget because they were just really bad customers. Uy, ayaw magtaas ng kamay. I'm sure you've met them, right? Or ito na lang, or colleagues. Have you met a colleague in your life wherein you kasumpa-sumpa? Right? Maybe not, maybe yes. But my point is this. Many of us will not have the perfect life. It is not a perfect life wherein every day, all of the customers will give you the easiest time of your life. It's not like that. We will never have a perfect life wherein every seatmate and every boss that you have is the most amazing person in this world. Life is not like that. In fact, if you're telling me that if your life is like that, you're either lucky or number two, you're lying. Because for most of us, we have imperfect lives. But having a growth mindset is when you tell to yourself, if I don't like my seatmate or if I do not like this customer, I will not easily judge agad. I will first exhaust all means to build a better relationship. Why? Because I also need to sharpen my ability to build relationships with difficult people. Because the better I become in handling difficult people, the better I become in managing difficult relationships, which is a part of life. That is how you build growth mindset. The same boiling water that softens the potato also hardens the egg. The same fire that melts the butter also toughens the steel. Madaming bagay sa mundo, unpredictable. But because ikaw ang bida ng story mo, you have to choose to become the victor, not the victim. And we all deserve to become the victors of our careers.